guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shruti Chaudhary and this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you like my videos. You can also watch my other videos if you like my channel. So our today's video is regarding weight loss. So the first tip for weight loss is add more proteins to your diet. What happens when we are adding more proteins to our diet? We are actually shifting from fats and carbs to healthy tissues. So what happened? Proteins have a property that it changes our hormones of overeating to something that we feel more satisfied with the food that we eat. So when we are too much hungry and then all of a sudden we started adding proteins to our diet, we suddenly realize that we are not overeating, and this is how it helps in weight loss. The next most important tip is to add green tea in your diet. So what happens when you're drinking green tea every day? Green tea has a property that helps you reduce fat. So it has a property that makes you exercise more and burn fat more. This is how this helps you reduce your weight. So if you are drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea every day, I'm sure you're going to definitely do your weight loss. The next tip for weight loss is eat slowly. Now come on, this is the easiest tip I can ever tell you. So what happens, if you are eating very fast, you have to change your habit to eat slowly. What happens when you're eating slowly? You are thinking you have eaten a lot, but it's actually you have eaten less. So this is how this works out. The next and the most difficult tip is to limit your sugar intake. This is so difficult, right? So you guys must be thinking that we love sugar, and how do we, because glucose is also necessary, so how are we going to just limit our sugar? So I'm not telling to just completely just forget sugar or something like that. But what happens, people who are fat are generally tend to be found that they eat too much of sweets like cakes and pastries and everything. So what happens, you can just replace your sweeteners with something that is not sugar but jaggery, or which is not unhealthy sugar. So any sort of natural sugar like honey, but not sugar. Yeah, so it is sweet but it's not sugar, and there are many things like that. So just replace those with these things, because it is necessary for your weight loss. The next most important tip is to drink lots of water. What happens if you're drinking lots of water, you don't feel so hungry and you're drinking more of liquids than more of solids, because your stomach is already filled up with the water that you have intake already. What you can do is you can drink a glass full of water before lunch or before dinner, so that you're not, if you're overeating or you have a habit of, you have a big appetite and you don't know how much to eat and you can't just stick to your diets. So you can try it this way. Just drink 1 or 2 glasses of water 1 hour before your lunch or dinner, and it will help you for your weight loss.